Welcome to this gorgeous one-owner custom home near the Tualatin River and Swift Shore Park. It's located in the sought-after West Linn Willamette neighborhood, just a half-mile from the historic Old Willamette District, featuring popular shops, restaurants, and riverfront parks. The charming covered front porch invites you inside, where you'll discover a light-filled, updated interior. The entertainer's kitchen features granite countertops, beautiful cabinetry, a 5-burner gas cooktop, a stylish backsplash, and skylights. Enjoy multiple gracious spaces for large or small gatherings. A main-level bedroom is currently used as an office. And the back patio is ready for enjoying your outdoor kitchen or relaxing by the custom fire table. On the upper level, double doors open to the vaulted primary bedroom suite. Its spacious bath features a dual sink vanity, a jetted tub, separate shower, and a walk-in closet with organizers. You'll find 4 bedrooms, large closets, and 2.5 baths in this home of nearly 2,800 square feet. Plus a large laundry room with abundant storage. A second staircase on the main level takes you to a bonus room, perfect for any number of uses. The expansive outdoor spaces are ready for entertaining, surrounded by lush landscaping and custom water features, where it's easy to savor the moment and make memories with friends and family. Other features include newer windows, cedar siding, and tons of storage space. And you'll enjoy a short path to a tranquil riverfront park. It's all here on Swift Shore Drive and ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Carl Iiams or Dan Canfield with Premier Property Group.